Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi-ke uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke nje engizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mawukuthi-ke usamusha kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke noma kuwukuthi-ke uyaqala ukungena kulona, wenze nje kulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ungaphumi ungacindezelanga-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli kwenza ukwazi ukuthi uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha engizobe ngiza nazo ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke kuze ngakuphothula izindaba ezenza njengamanje ukuthi ungabe uqindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke la kulethele ikliphu-ke yomlisa-ke laphana-ke esalutha-ke uGeneral Mkhwanazi-ke laphana-ke ngesenzo-ke asenza-ke ngenkathi enza i-press briefing ekhipha zonke-ke lezi yimfihlo ezazingaziwa ayikhipha-ke laphana-ke. Lo mlisa-ke uyambonga-ke emva kokuba-ke kuvele konke-ke okuvelile kulama-commissions awu-2 okuvelile okuthusayo bekungaziwa-ke laphana. Kodwa angifuni mina ukuthi kuningi ukuzwa ngami, into nje udlala ividiyo yakhe nomlisa uzwele wena ukuthi uthini umcabanga amazwileke ividiyo ngema-comment section ngikusho uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngaloko udaba-ke lolu bese wenza okulungile nje ungixhase ungaphumi ungacindezelanga-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke kwenza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha ezizobe ngiza nazo ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nawe-ke le video-ke le awuyithokozele.
Bafowethu, I am General Mkhwanazi, and General Mkhwanazi is us. We are General Mkhwanazi, and General Mkhwanazi is us. I'm in full support of General Mkhwanazi. And we salute you, General Mkhwanazi. Wavulile amehlo ethu, General Mkhwanazi. Kuningi esikwaziyo namhlanje through you. Through ngeinkulumo zakho ukuthi expose inkohlakalo ngoJuly 6. General Mkhwanazi, we salute you, sir, and we're behind you, and we will pray for you, and we are your people. We support you, General Mkhwanazi. Thank you for the truth, and the truth shall set us free. All what we need as South African, we need the truth. The truth shall set us free.